welcome to your job. I'm recording these tapes to help you get settled on your first nights. I'm guessing you'll be replacing me after I quit this job in about a week. I'm gonna warn you, this place is a nightmare. I don't really like it here, but, well, money is money, I guess. Anyway, let's start with the basics. So, as you can see, you have a computer in front of you with the camera system. To change the cameras, just use the numbers on your keyboard. Behind you have the main hallway and a security door. To close it, just hold the button, and then under the desk you have the vent system. I will explain later why you need to use that. Now, there are a lot of things happening in this place at night, mainly involving the animatronic characters. You see, they tend to move for some reason. I asked the company about it, and they just told me it has something to do with their security systems malfunctioning. I don't really know, and I don't really believe that either. You might have already heard the stories and stuff from this place. A lot of people saying the spirit of the owner is haunting the place because, well, he died here. Guessing you know all of this, or at least I hope. Anyway, going back to the animatronics, there are 5 of them on the stage. You know, Maggie, Chauncey, Lola, Hank, and Flower. And then there's that other one in parts and services, but we'll talk about him later. So let's start with Maggie and Lola, you know, the yellow cat and the orange dog. So they'll try to go to your office, and they'll try to get in through the hallway behind you. When you see them close to you, just close the door, and they'll eventually go away. Now for Chauncey the pig, you'll see him staring right at the camera. Whenever you see him, just change the camera really fast, and you'll be okay. If you don't change it fast enough, though, he will start running towards you. If the camera stopped working after you saw him, then just turn around, check if he's in the hallway, and if he is there, close the door as fast as you can. That should be all for tonight. You don't have to worry about the others yet. Well, see ya, and good luck.